Hey guys, it's Anna. I just wanted to go over the dollar, do a little short video on the US dollar futures cash composite. Um, you can see here on this 30-minute chart that we have a bull flag that is forming. We also had a crossover of the 10 over the 30. Then you see this nice move up. We've got sideways consolidation. We should go up into the next level, 78.44, 78.45, and then 78.58. You can see it's reset here. It hasn't turned up yet, but I suspect that given a little bit tonight, maybe a little bit under 78, that we might turn up and go back up on the dollar. Looking at a little bit longer time frame here, you can see that it started to come down a little bit here. We do have our bearish divergence there, and hence we're having a little bit of the corrective move. I also see somewhat of an inverted possibly on the dollar as well. So I am looking for those levels of 78.59 for the intermediate term. Now here's the 4-hour. What that shows that we could see some weakness. You can see the stochastics are pointing down. Let's see if I can pull this up a little bit so we can see it a little bit better there. Okay. And you can see here where that inverted might be playing out. You know, a left shoulder, the head, come back down to a little under 70, 78, like I said, that 77, even 51, and then roll back up, and that will have reset some of those indicators. You can see here that we did have a lot of bullish divergence, and that's where you knew that that the dollar was going to get a bounce. However, you can see it's starting to roll over here, so that's hence I see a little bit of weakness in the short term, intermediate term, though higher. Now let's look at the daily. Now we have all kinds of different situations, but you can clearly see that the oscillator is starting to climb up. The stochastics are starting to climb up. You see when the 10 crossed the 30 on the downside, you got the sell signal here, and that's where we had that move down. So in the short term, a little bit lower on the dollar, and then high, and then intermediate term, I see higher going in. With, of course, we'll have our corrective waves, but it looks to me like the dollar is probably heading back up towards the 80 area in the intermediate term. Thanks a lot, you guys. Have a great day.